Singsang Taytay Liho. My name is Melody Pelimer Damigan. I am 39 years old and I live in Pantukan, Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am high school graduate and happily married with two daughters, 7 and 10 years old. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, writing, and reading. I serve one couple and four children here in the Philippines since August 2019 to August 2022. Their ages are 10, 8, 6, and 4 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, doing household chores, laundry, clothes, ironing, gardening, marketing, and assist the children of the school paperworks. My expertise are elderly care, newborn baby, and child care. I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is offer much higher salary compared to Middle East. With that, I earn money. With that, I can build my own house. And with that, I can save the future of my family. To my future employer, please, mom and sir, choose me as your housemaid because I am trustworthy, I am obedient, I am hardworking, and I am responsible. And also, I am fast learner. And I promise to finish my contract 2 years or more or as long as you want me to stay. And I promise to do my work. And I promise to prioritize your children. And I treat them as my own. And to my future employer, I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.